to steep the herbs.
Got it?
Those are things you get to be saying too, like affirmations
I'm
and things.
praying for you.
All right, work it out.
It's just a little bit more. Put it out somehow.
Can I get plankton bars?
Like in a tea bag? Yes, from Whole Foods or another like store like that.
Will it work this in this world?
Would it work the same?
Yeah, I guess
When you work it, you're putting yourself into it, you know, and your spirit and your
I
vibe.
think a liquid would get into the stream, the bloodstream
Oh, yeah.
quicker.
Definitely.
And how much is it?
You have to ask them to bring them up.
Do we have to be overly concerned about amounts? I mean, did you?
I usually put put the amounts in the book, but I just
Okay.
eyeball it because I'm making it for a crowd.
Now, when you're making the teas, you know, would you recommend it's like 1 in the morning or in the afternoon or evening, or depending on what you're using, or?
It depends on the herb. Some of them you can use 3 times a day, some of them twice a day, some of them once a day. A really good source for really good old-fashioned source is Jonathan Lust. He made like an herbal Bible called Back to Eden. Yeah. So you can get, and I try to put most of the herb counts in the book, how much you need to use.
So it's not something that you just, it's not like some of us, you know, we drink coffee constantly during the course of the day. You know?
Yeah, no, you could get really sick.
Okay.
Don't overdo everything in moderation, I guess.
Yeah.
Can you see if there's another one of these strains? Oh, here they are. Would everyone like some tea?
Yes, please.
But you gonna mix honey with it too?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I have a spoon in my bag. But
No,
there's nothing else in there?
no.
No?
Yeah, everybody might not be able to tolerate honey, so I'll put the honey individually in the cups. I'll do it to yours first.
I drink a honey tea sometimes.
Do you?
Because I used to
In a tea
drink.
bag?
It's a black tea
Is it
with honey.
honey-bush? Oh. What were you saying?
I said I used to drink the honey, but I kind of like switched over to the agave. Because I was
I
trying,
haven't tried that yet.
trying to go the all natural. Because I had heard so many things about honey. You know, I said, well, honey will make you sort.
You heard bad things about them?
Yeah, you know, it depends. You know, they got all these experts to say, you know what, you know, this is bad for you, and next week is good for you,
Right,
things
yeah.
like that. So I guess it just depends on who you want to listen to.
If it's been used for thousands of years.
Not pass one to me.
Honey.
Okay. Camera
Can you
man.
get it?
My name's Ian, by the way, Mr. Camera.
Yeah, and also, you know, part of the stuff, you know, it's just, you know, for cuts and wounds and things like that also.
Yeah, it is. good on your lips for chapped lips.
Honey is?
It's good right on the wound.
So like I don't know, honey is like most things, you know, it comes in different varieties and things like that. So is this one that you recommend?
I
Or just
grabbed
something
this,
you
I
picked
like
up?
it, it's Mesquite, it's from Mesquite.
Okay.
I bought it at Trader Joe's.
Thank you.
Now, how often you say we should drink?
Usually you get there 2 to 3 times a day, no more than that.
You made it up? You're a strict vegetarian?
I'm not a strict vegetarian, my son's vegan.
So what's your opinion?
I don't eat meat or I don't eat red meat or pork.
Oh, what about seafood? Any kind of seafood, fish?
I do. Sustainable. I look for it to be sustainable. Who would like some? If anybody wants more honey or anything, just let me know.
Did you put honey in it? Okay.
Is that okay with
Thank
you?
you. Yes.
Okay. The main thing that I could think about is, I mean, vegans when he's not vegan anymore, he's vegetarian now. Or
You're strictly vegetarian?
choositarian.
Yeah.
Vegetarian?
What do you think about the juices I fast?
I have a juicer. You?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Something. I'll give you yours next. And I'll give you yours.
Question, pulp after you juice. I heard that you can use the pulp to, for different things, foods. So it's good to use the pulp
Yeah, it would be. I haven't done that. I use it to make paper.
to make the
Paper. Beautiful papers. But it would still have some goodness in it, and you lose so much of the vegetable and fruit.
And then I've heard too, just eat it raw and you get what you need.
The pulp?
No, the fruits
Oh,
and vegetables, you know.
Is there any?
come have some tea.
Good.
Is there a comparable plant-based sweetener?
You were saying agave. Agave is one.
Is that stevia or something like that?
Stevia?
Oh,
Stevia?
stevia.
Is that
I
what it
wrote a
is?
big, no,
No, it's
stevia is
just
different.
good. It's good. It's sweet.
Stevia is a herb. It's all natural. It has a little bit of a taste to it that some people don't like. But if you look up online, stevia, I wrote a big report on it. I was really very inspired about it.
Hang on.
My son's on his last leg. Wait, I have enough for 2 more. Great.